Okay, so hello everyone, how are you guys? Okay, so let's look for some trading plans, the trades that I'm looking for. All right, so these are the list of stocks that I'm looking to long or short in the coming few days. All right, so first of all, let's start with Vodafone. So currently, you can see Vodafone is in a very, you know, sideways sort of market. The stock comes to around 6.4 range, and then from there it rallies up. So right now also we can see it's near to 6.44 range. So what I'm planning is once it comes and taps this 6.44 range, then I'll be looking to take a trade in the long direction. Next we have Suzol Energy. For Suzol Energy, you could have entered today. I myself have taken some trade in this today, and what I am doing is I am taking a 1.5 rupees, or you can say 2.6% of risk, and for that I am targeting around 3% of reward. All right. Next up we have HFCL. So for HFCL, I'm also planning to short this. Yeah, today would have been a great day to short it, but I missed it. So next time I see that it breaks the low of this, then I might short it, and my stop loss will be of 1.7%, and take profit is double of that. Next up we have IDFC Bank. In the IDFC Bank, currently what I'm planning is that it looks more like a sideways market to me. All right. So if I see any red candle and then the break of that red candle, at that time I'm planning to enter. All right. Next up we have NMDC. All right. In the NMDC, I do not see any trade, or it's more like in a sideways position. Yeah, it's in a sideways position. So for me, what I can plan for is I can short the market. I can short it, and my stop loss will be around 1 rupee, or you can say around 1%, 1.35%. Yeah, 1.4%, whatever. And I will be targeting for 1 is to 1.5 in this, not more than this. All right. So entering once it breaks the 72.85 level, and then I'll be targeting 71.34. All right, not more than that for the NMDC. For the GMR airports, I'm planning to short it. All right, I had like thought of shorting it today, but I missed it. So tomorrow, or whenever I see it breaking below 86.37 rupees, I will try to short it for a 1 is to 2 sweet risk reward. I'm giving a 1.4% risk in this. All right. Next up, we have NBCC. In the NBCC, whenever I see a break below of 101.37 level, all right, then I'm planning to make a short trade. I'll be risking around 1.74% in this, and I'll be looking to make a 1 is to 2 risk reward in this. All right. Up next, we have Canara Bank. So in Canara Bank, it's currently in a sideways market. For me, the buying zone will be this box around, you can say around 103.7 to 104.4 level. In this, if I see something like this, like a green candle, and the next candle breaks its high, then I'll be thinking of taking a long trade in this. Else, I'm not planning anything in this. Up next, we have Bank of India. For Bank of India, I'm staying neutral towards it because there are multiple things. The market looks like sideways also. You can see it's in the middle of sideways. Yeah. So if it comes to this point, then I'll be basically making a long position. If it comes to there, I will be making a short position, and accordingly I will be taking my stop loss, and I'll be taking my take profit. In this, I'll not be making a trade more than 1.15 RR risk reward. If you know what is risk reward, it's great. If you don't know what it is, then you can comment in the chat, and I will tell you or I will make a video on what is a risk reward, how you should plan for risk reward and things like that. We can. Up next we have IRFC. In this I have taken a position already at 122.37 rupees, and I am targeting the levels of 118.7. All right, and my stop loss is of 1.5%. My take profit is 3%. Simple risk reward in this 1 is to 2. Up next we have Union Bank of India. For Union Bank of India also I took a position today itself when it broke the 127.2 level, and I'm planning for a 1 is to 2 simple risk reward. In this I'm risking around 1.66%. Alright. Up next we have Steel Authority of India. Currently I'm not planning anything because the direction is a little bit unclear for me, because it just made some, it just broke some lows few days back, then it consolidated, now it's just expanding in the up direction, so I'm not sure if it's going up or down or somewhere in the middle. So I'm not investing anything, I'm not taking trade in Steel Authority of India for now. Up next let's see for Indian Oil Corporation. This also looks a lot like it's in a sideways to a lower low, like in a bearish trend, you can say short term bearishness. So I'm not planning anything in this also. Up next we have our IREDA. So this also looks like bearish as well as, a little sideways to me. So I'm staying away from this, but if you wish, either you can long when it reaches the 140 level, all right, or what you can also do is you can right now think of shorting it till the levels of 140 only. All right, so I'm thinking of something like that. Next we have Inox Wind. For Inox Wind I am planning a trade of not much than 1 is to 1.5. Reason being, I see that it's a lot more in a sideways thing. Either it will make a double bottom or it will continue what it's doing. So if it makes a double bottom, I probably will get stopped out or I won't be getting a trade itself. But if it takes me in, like it triggers my orders and then it goes up, then I'll be getting a stop loss. I'm not risking a lot in this, I'm just risking 1.6% in this. Alright, we have next Bandhan Bank. So for Bandhan Bank also I'm looking for a short only. Yeah, either like, not, I'm not too aggressive in this, like I might change my plan in this, but yeah, if anyone is looking for a short in Bandhan Bank, they can go for it once it breaks the 161.77 level, and you should take a risk of 1.3 to 1.4%, and you can target 1 is to 2 in this also. Up next we have Tata Steel. For Tata Steel I am planning for a short. Alright, why? Because last time also it came to this level, and it, once it makes a red candle, if the next candle broke its low, it just came down. So I am planning the same thing here also. If it breaks the low of the current days today, then I'll be taking a 1%, 1.1% risk, and I'll be targeting a 1 is to 2 risk reward, or 1 is to 1.5, not more than that. Alright. Up next we have Icron International. For this I had taken a trade itself today and see how good it is in profit. Yeah. Okay. So what you can do is you can ignore this stock because the opportunity has gone. Up next in this, what I had done was I took a 1.8 risk, 1.8% risk, and I was planning for 3.7 or 3.8% reward. So right now it's almost there. It will give me my profits, I hope, by tomorrow. I will share whatever I get, like if I get a stop loss I will share that, if I get a take profit I will show that. Alright. Up next we have Gale. For Gale, currently I'm staying away from it because this looks like a sideways to me, but at the same time, since it has making a, you can say a higher low, so it can also turn into a slow rally towards the upside. So right now I am staying away from this. All right, so these were the stocks that I am currently planning to take trades in, and these were all my ideas. If you guys like my video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can give a thumbs up to the video. If you don't like anything in the video, you can also comment that in the comment section, so that I can improve that in my next video. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. So thank you, and let's meet in another video.